Hello everyone, this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com and I'm here with another video for you. Today I have the January 2020 I'll Be Yours Paper Pumpkin Kit. I'm so super excited. Let's dig in and see exactly what we have inside. So the first thing that we see, that I see, is a mint macaron mini Stampin' spot. So I'll set that aside. Oh, this is a nice size of stamps. Hopefully you can see that. I'll hold that there. Hopefully it's not too much of a glare. There are sentiments that say, wishing you a lifetime of love. Happy Valentine's Day for you. There's a heart that says with love. Let's be friends. Let's see what else. Handmade and be mine. Along with a nice size background stamp. You can use that for really a lot of stuff. And like a little mini border stamp. There's a bee for, like the bee. I wonder if that would coordinate. That would probably coordinate with our honeybee. Oh, I don't remember the exact name of it, but there's a bee stamp set that we have, a bundle. There's little flowers for embellishments. There's a little flower. And here's a heart shape. Now they're saying that the heart shape will coordinate with our punches that we have in our our mini catalog, the mini January to June mini catalog. I'll leave a link below if you would like to purchase either of these, or it actually comes as a bundle. And they go really, really great with the bundles that are already in our kit. But if you have a paper pumpkin kit and you want to make the most of it, I'll leave a link below on how you can get those punches as well. So let's set that aside. And we have some mini glue dots. So what they did tell us that there was a replacement of the mini glue dots. There was supposedly a problem with them. But I have some other ones that I use myself. So we have mini glue dots. Oh, and information about the February Paper Pumpkin Kit and during celebration. Go together like birthdays and cake. So in our celebration catalog, there is a stamp set that's called Happy Birthday to You. And it has like this, I don't know if you can kind of see that. And this is the stamp set, and it has the flower, or actually the flowers on the cake and a pedestal. Really, really cute set. Be on the lookout for that because I'm going to be doing a lot of more videos starting now. So I have the paper pumpkin one, and then I have a paper pumpkin alternative coming out in the next day or so. So be on the lookout for that. If you're interested in receiving the February Paper Pumpkin Kit, you have to order by February the 10th. Yeah, by the 10th of the month, each month, to get that month's kit. So let's see what else we have inside of this month's kit. So super excited. As always, we have our wonderful blue paper. Set that aside. And our kit it says I'll Be Yours, January 2020. And this has cards and envelopes. So let's open it up and see what all we have inside. All the goodies. Oh, we have a lot today. And on that aside, the first thing we do have are our instructions. So there you get a color photo of what the project should look like. And you have step-by-step instructions. So there are 6 steps to this kit, not very time-consuming. There are some alternatives that they also show you. And your kit will, the coordinating colors for this particular kit are Crushed Curry, Highland Heather, Mint Macaron, and Rococo Rose. They also give you all the contents that come in the kit. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you exactly what it comes with. So this particular kit makes 10 cards and envelopes and has 20 treat bags. So nice. So right here we have some white baker's twine and some mini dimensionals. And these were the, I believe, the original glue dots, but they also give us some extra glue dots as well. So you have that. Oh my. Here we have some really pretty sequins. If I can open it up. And I'll show you what they look like. Really, really pretty. There are two colors, I believe. So it looks like the Highland Heather and the Rococo Rose colors of the sequins. Flower sequins, really cute. Here are our envelopes, our mini envelopes. So we're gonna make 10 cards. So the envelopes for that. Here are the little treat bags. We have tons of those. Oh, and on the treat bag, you see the little foiling cute on both sides. Can you see that? Very pretty. So we have 20 of those. And here are our card bases. We get 10 of those, and they're 3x3 size. You just score, they're already scored for you. Just fold them over. We also have our cardboard. I use this in mailing, so don't throw that away. You'll find a use for it, I'm sure. So here are some hearts that we do have. How many do we have? How many sheets did they give us? 4, I believe. So they're with the flowers and the Highland Heather and Rococo Rose, and then like a watercolor wash of the Highland Heather and Rococo Rose. Cute, cute, cute. And we have some labels. Oh, this actually will look like a little tag. I can pop one out for you. A little tag, probably to put on the gift bag. I've been really good. I haven't looked at any videos of people who may already gotten there, so I don't know exactly what all was in here. So we have some punched, where we can punch out there's circles, there's little bees, cute, 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 and other like a little small rectangular, probably just a little label where we're gonna where we will stamp. And we have several of those as well. 3 sheets. And that's about it, my friends. So let me get things together, situated, and we'll be back with creating the first card and the treat bag. Be right back. Okay, so let's get started with the first card, or the first project. I'm going to be using my own Mint Macaron. I'm going to save my Stampin' spot. I usually like to take these when I travel. So I'm going to save this for later, and I'm going to use just my own ink pad, and I'm going to move these out of the way. Now, when I was looking through the instructions, it's really, I mean, you can follow what they've done, but it's really a free-for-all. You can make these however you feel with the elements. You can do 1 color, 2 colors. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to ink this up really well. Oh, my paper's moving. And I'm going to try to get this evenly in the middle. I'm using my own D block. When you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin as a new subscriber, you will get a D block with your very first order, your very first kit, and then you can use that for all remaining kits. So I'm just going to stamp this down pretty good. And while I have the ink out, I'm going to do the stamping for all of my projects. So I decided on the envelope that I'm going to use this little bitty flower. That was part of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp this in the Mint Macaron a couple times. That's it, 3 times. So that's going to be the envelope for this particular project. I'll set that there. And I've got the little circle punched out, and I'm going to use the Happy Valentine's Day sentiment and directly in the center. Very good. And I'm gonna set that aside. And with the next project, which is going to be the gift bag or treat bag, however you want to call it, I'm going to use the sentiment Be Mine. And I'm going to ink that. I'm going to do that one now, and I'll set that aside for when we get the others. Oops, that was wrong. I felt that going south. So there's always another one. You could use the back side if you wanted to do that. I'm not on this particular project. Let me pull that a little bit closer. And hopefully my hand won't go south this time. I felt that happen. Here we go. Beautiful, right in the center. So I'm going to set that aside, and I'm through with all the stamping that I'm going to do today for this particular project. So I'll set that aside. Here with the, where? Oh, my dimensionals over here. They give you so many dimensionals. I'm going to use a couple of large dimensionals on my project. So I'm going to put dimensionals on the heart, 3 of them, like so, and then take them off. You can use your mini dimensionals that came with the kit, which is what you would normally do. I'm going to set that in the center. And the sentiment that the Happy Valentine's Day, I'm going to put one dimensional over on the side over here that says Valentine's. I just want one dimensional over here because I'm going to have this halfway on and halfway off. And so I have some glue, my tape runner, my nail adhesive. I'm just going to put a little dab on the other side so it'll stick onto the heart and halfway on and halfway off. Let me take the backing off first. I'm going to set that right there. So when I did it, I slid it all the way until I felt it hit the dimensional. And so now it's stuck right here and on there. And for this, I'm going to, I guess I'll use my scissors to put a couple of the sequins on. I think I'll put one over here. And again, you know, they place them in certain areas. You can place them wherever you would like. You can put this color and then the other color as well. So that's that. I'm going to set that aside. And then I'm going to put a mini dimensional. Again, I'm using my own, but you get some inside of your kit. For one of the bees, I'm just going to put, maybe I'll put 2, maybe I'll put 1. It's all totally up to you. Uh-oh, I took the whole thing off. That wasn't a good idea. I'm trying to take the paper backing off. Okay, this one wants to give me trouble. We'll just do a different one. I mean, how hard could a dimensional be? I guess it's going to be really hard. And I think I'm going to put the little bee right here. And there you go. The very first card. You can add more to it. You can add less to it. It's totally up to you. So this is the first project. Now I did that one. And I also did another one earlier. And I did it with the Rococo Rose. I didn't add a bee. You could if you want to. And I did a couple of the little sequins. And I did add the roses there. So there you go for that. We'll set that aside, and we're going to do next the mini treat bag, which is so cute. Uh-oh, where did this come from? So, well, that was for the other project I forgot to stick on. So for this one, I'm going to put dimensionals, 2 dimensionals on the back, straight down the middle, so they adhere to the little tag portion. Come on. Sometimes it's kind of hard to see everything when it's on the on white. So I'm going to line that up and have it go straight down the center, just like so. Then I'm also going to add a couple of beads to this one. The first one I only added one, so I'm going to add two to this one. And like so. And another dimensional. You know what? I'm going to put a dimensional. No, I'm not going to put a dimensional on the back. I think this one I'm just going to stick straight down with some snail. I think that's what I'm going to do. For this one, I'm going to have it over to the side, just like the other one. And then I will place a couple of beads on this one. And I guess I'll have the bee going that way. And I have the bee going in the opposite direction. Going flying up. Just like that. Then we'll take our twine or linen, our white linen thread, and we're going to start from the back. We'll put one on one side. And then one through the other side. And pull it through. We kind of want to make sure that they're even. They give you the measurements. I didn't do any measurements. I just guesstimated. And I'm going to pull that through my tag. And then I'm just going to tie a bow. And that will stick on the, do that there. And because it's a big one, hopefully I can do a bow. And we'll tie it like that. Just like that. And then we can have it go over. Just like that. This is large enough where you can put, I have a Ghirardelli squares, dark chocolate raspberry. You can stick one inside there. And this is where the little glue dots will come into effect. You can place a glue dot. I'm going to use one of mine to close the whole project up, and that is it. We have it closed, set it there, and there's your little treat bag. How cute is that? If you want, they already have a design on the front, so I wouldn't put anything on the front, but you can put the to and from who you're giving it to. So there's that one. Here's another one. I didn't put anything inside of this one, as you can see. So there you go. And here are the cards that go along with it. How cute is that? Quick and easy, so there's no right or wrong way to put them together. However you want to do it, if you want to really embellish it or not, totally up to you. Stay tuned, because in the next couple of days I'll release another video showing some alternatives that I'm using with some of the projects in the kit, and also some of my own papers and stuff like that. So if you're interested in subscribing to Paper Pumpkin, I'll leave a link down below, and also I'll leave a link below on how you can order the coordinating heart punches that go along with the particular, that will coordinate with this particular kit. Thank you all so much for stopping by. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you all. And share this video out to others, and subscribe so you'll be notified of all videos that I do upload. Thanks everybody for stopping by. This is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'll be back real soon with another video. Bye.